Dear elementary teachers, following the meeting that we had this morning regarding updating your gradebook, I'm creating this short video to show you all the steps that you need to follow in order to change your grades from numerical grades into green checks. The first step would be to go to the assignment in question, and then you are going to look at all the students that do have a 0 under their assignment, which means that they did not submit this assignment, and write their names down, or you can memorize them if you can. And then you're going to go to the assignment, to the blue box, right click on the blue box, and then clear the scores. Once those scores are clear, then you are supposed to go back to the blue box again, click on fill scores, click on collected, and then click OK. And then all the scores will show up. Then you're going to go back to the student that we wrote their name down, click on their assignment, right click, and remove the collected. And then same thing for the other student. You're going to right click on their name, remove collected. And that way you have green checks on all of the students except the ones that did not submit. So let's start again. Go back. We're going to memorize who the students are, or write them down, preferably write them down. And then we're going to go to the blue box, right click on it, clear the scores, and then go back, right click, fill scores. We're going to pick the collected, click OK, and then we're going to right click on the student's assignment, right click, and that way you have changed your grades from grades to checks. Hopefully this helps. Thank you.